Today, we are going deep literally into the amazing engineering that is the Rolex Deepsea, a watch that's not only a status symbol but a tour de force of technical ability. We'll break down exactly how this remarkable timepiece can withstand crushing pressure at 12,800 feet underwater. If you've ever wondered what makes the Rolex Deepsea such an extraordinary diving watch, you're in the right place. Let's get started. It was not just a Rolex Deepsea designed as a luxury timepiece, but one steeped in purpose. This is but a personification of the Rolex organization's continued drive into the oceans for exploration and a quest to push the envelope of possibility in horology. The history of the Deepsea started in 1960 when Rolex had made history by sending its experimental watch to the bottom of the Mariana Trench, which was considered the deepest point in the world's oceans. This historic dive was not only a showcase of ingenuity on the part of Rolex, but also provided the premise upon which the Deepsea was built, entering the public domain as far back as 2008. The Rolex Deepsea is a far cry from a watch, but a highly specialized instrument, capable of withstanding the most extreme, inhospitable conditions on Earth and performing without flaws. Constructed to stand the enormous pressures at the bottom or at the deepest points in the ocean, the Deepsea is an encyclopedia of Rolex's resistance, precision, and quality in professional diving watches. Every attribute of the Deepsea has been painstakingly designed for such intense pressures that are needed for deep-sea exploration and is truly a testament to Rolex's legacy of innovation and their deep-rooted connection to the world of underwater adventure. How does a Rolex Deepsea live through crushing pressures at 12,800 feet beneath the ocean surface? The secret to this is only in its remarkable design that was first introduced in 2008 as a pioneer in diving watches. Made for great depths of sea, the Rolex Deepsea comes in big dimensions with a 44mm oyster case engineered for extreme water conditions. The Rolex Deepsea represents a further evolution of the popular Sea Dweller model from Rolex, greatly increasing its depth-exploring capabilities. For 2024, this wristwatch is available for approximately $14,500, but on the resale market, prices far outstrip that figure and have topped $18,000 or more for models considered to be in exceptional condition or of a rare nature. Central to Rolex Deepsea's robustness is a patented system, the Ringlock. The cutting-edge technology enables the watch to stay intact under immense underwater pressures that would easily crush less invincible timekeepers. The system sports a domed sapphire crystal, almost 5mm thick, devised to bear the enormous forces experienced at considerable depths. Besides, additional protection comes from the outside because of the absorption and equal distribution of external pressure by the nitrogen-alloyed stainless steel compression ring inside the case. Meanwhile, the Grade 5 titanium caseback is added with exceptional durability and resistance to deformation to ensure that the fragile movement inside won't be disturbed by huge external forces. First introduced at a retail price of about $12,000, over the years, the Rolex Deepsea has appreciated in value to further cement its status as one of the most coveted timepieces among diving enthusiasts and collectors alike. Boasting a solid design and innovative features, it is the epitome of Rolex's commitment to exceeding watchmaking barriers. For those shopping for a truly marathon-capable timepiece, the Deepsea is the last word, whether conquering the darkest ocean depths or treading water in the choppy resale market, where limited editions can command even more lofty premiums. BY 2024, the Deepsea is still one of the most popular diving watches, and its resale price is often higher than its original retail price. It attests to its timeless design and unmatched engineering. The innovative patented case architecture, the Ringlock System, was the cornerstone of deep-sea capability, whereby each watch can resist immense water pressure equivalent to the weight of 3 tons. It was specially created for the Deepsea and pioneered a new breakthrough in watchmaking technology from the late 2000s, enabling divers to stand confidently, thus able to explore the depths of the ocean that had hitherto been reached. The 3 most essential parts of the Ringlock system are indispensable in making the watches withstand pressure at fantastic depths. There is, for example, an almost 5mm thick domed sapphire crystal, providing additional strength to oppose the external forces at enormous depth. The crystal was upgraded from the standard flat sapphire used in other Rolex models to enhance durability and scratch resistance, very important to professional divers and collectors alike. Inside the case, The nitrogen-alloyed stainless steel compression ring is absorbed and uniformly distributed inside the watch. It is manufactured from a proprietary Rolex blend to withstand extreme underwater conditions. Lastly, the Grade 5 titanium caseback is extremely hard and resistant to any form of deformation, hence offering protection to the inside movement. The Rolex Deepsea has since its launch always been the emblem of excellent watchmaking, symbolizing state-of-the-art technology yet remaining stylish. That success has seen numerous editions developed, such as a 2018 D Blue model in celebration of James Cameron's historic solo dive to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. These special dials in their particular blue-to-black gradient, with limited edition, are highly sought after by collectors and can fetch upwards of $25,000 easily. These all work together to protect the delicate mechanics inside the watch, keeping the Rolex Deepsea fully functional and reliable at depth levels where few other watches would have a chance. This is an assemblage of high technology with expertise in craftsmanship, thus really a hallmark of engineering excellence at Rolex, performing flawlessly in the most hostile underwater conditions. Another most crucial element that makes the Rolex Deepsea sustainable in extreme pressures during deep sea diving is the helium valve. This advanced element has been specifically designed for saturation divers who spend long time spans underwater in pressurized conditions. During such deep dives, the molecule of helium is able to gradually seep into the watch owing to their much smaller size when compared to air molecules. In that scenario, lacking a means of releasing such internal pressure during decompression, the resultant buildup of helium could forcefully pop off the watch crystal and thus compromise the integrity of the timepiece. The helium escape valve is Rolex's answer to this challenge. It's an automatic pressure release mechanism that ensures excess helium trapped inside the watch case is safely expelled as the diver ascends and the external pressure decreases. This sophisticated feature not only prevents any form of damage to the watch, but also ensures that the Deepsea remains fully functional, with accurate timekeeping and structural integrity, irrespective of the depths to which it is put. This level of engineering underlines the Deepsea for what it truly is. Not an expensive watch, per se, but a robust tool created to withstand the harshest rigors of deep-sea exploration. Equipped in the heart of the Rolex Deepsea is the famous in-house caliber 3235 movement, a real marvel of modern horology, testifying to Rolex's commitment to accuracy and strength. This newer movement is not only famous for its exceptional accuracy, but also its robust construction that makes it fit for the extreme conditions the Deepsea is designed to withstand. Among the distinguishing features of caliber 3235 is the patented Rolex Chronergy Escapement, a formidable innovative design that ensures highly improved efficiency in acquiring energy with outstanding reliability. This escalates the overall performance of the movement by achieving optimized transmission of energy, thereby contributing to the long-term accuracy of the movement. Besides, the caliber 3235 has been made highly resistant to shocks and magnetic fields, a feature very important to safeguard the movement against those external conditions encountered during deep-sea exploration. The Deepsea is more than just a conceptual marvel, it's been tested in some of the most extreme underwater conditions on Earth. It was in 2012 that filmmaker James Cameron took a specially designed Rolex Deepsea challenge on his historic solo dive to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. When the watch resurfaced, it was still ticking without a hitch. That speaks to peerless engineering and an almost unhealthy devotion to quality from Rolex. Real-life testing like that underscores the fact that the Deepsea is no prop, but a fully functional tool created for serious divers. If this in-depth look at the engineering of the Rolex Deepsea got you fascinated, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Wrist Couture for more in-depth explorations into the inner workings of luxury timepieces. Hit that notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. We'd love to hear from you. What is it that you think is the most impressive feature about the Rolex Deepsea? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.